Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start now, power down, unplug, and ground yourself with an anti-static strap. Once done, open the case and remove the side panel so you can see the motherboard. Make sure the power supply meets the new GPU's wattage and has the required PCIe power connectors, and verify the card fits front to back. You should also download the latest GPU drivers onto a USB drive before removing anything. This saves time and prevents driver conflicts later. You'll now remove the existing card. Unscrew the rear bracket and press the PCIe slot latch while pulling the card straight out. Once clear, inspect the slot and power connectors. Next, align the new graphics card with the slot and seat it firmly until the latch engages. Do not force sideways. Then fasten the bracket screw, attach the 6-pin or 8-pin PCIe power cables, and route cables away from fans to maintain airflow. Finally, reattach the side panel and reconnect power. You should power on and watch for post. If you get no display, shut down and reset the card or check PCIe power connections. Once you see video, install the downloaded GPU drivers, reboot, and update the OS. Then launch Minecraft and select desired graphics options. Compare performance and temperatures to confirm improvement. If issues persist, try another PCIe slot, test with a different power supply, or clear CMOS. These steps resolve most compatibility or power-related faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.